Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to change your Blast game version. First of all, open the game, go to, for example, classic mode and click the settings icon in the top. Then go to the more settings and here you will see your Blast version. In my case, I have got 6.2.9. Now I will show you how to change your Blast version. To change the version, you need to go to the Play Store or App Store. In my case, I go to the Play Store. And now we need to go to search and search for Blast. Then click the game. And if you see the play button instead of update, that means you have got the latest version of the game. But if you see an update button instead of play button, that means you have old version of the game and you need to update it. So just click the update button and it will update the game. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.